What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. I am back again with another keto recipes. Today we're going to be making some buffalo chicken and some garlic Parmesan chicken in the air fryer. We got our ingredients. We got some parsley, garlic powder, pepper. We got some buffalo wings, Sweet Baby Ray's sauce for the hot wings. We got some Tony's. This is the garlic Parmesan wing seasoning mix. I got this from Walmart for like 50 cents. It is hella good too. We got our Tony's and we got our olive oil and we got our air fryer. So let's go ahead and get started, and be sure to thumbs this video up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on your post notifications so you can get notified every single time I post. So getting started, we're gonna go ahead and do all of our seasons. We're gonna start off by putting some garlic powder on the chicken. Okay, I had to adjust my camera. So now I'm adding some pepper onto the chicken. By the way, I did already clean my chicken, and then I also patted it dry with the paper towel. So now I'm gonna go ahead and add some Tony's Creole seasoning to the chicken also. And now I'm gonna just use my tongs and mix these bad babies up. Okay, a little parsley ain't gonna hurt nobody. Okay, so since we of course want our chicken to be really crunchy, especially in this air fryer, we're gonna add some olive oil. I would say maybe 2 tablespoons, and then we're gonna mix it up so we can get them ready to go into the air fryer. Okay, so I did set my air fryer for 370 degrees, which I should have put it on 400, but we're gonna do 20 minutes on each side for the chicken. And you already know, clean as you go. Okay, so here is the chicken, 20 minutes down. I think I only left it in for like 16 minutes though. This is how it looks. I think I'm gonna put it back in there for another 5 minutes just to get it a little bit more crispy. And then after the 5 minutes, I'm gonna take it out and then flip it back over. Okay, so I did end up putting it back in for another 10 minutes and it's looking a lot better. That's what I'm talking about. Y'all see that crisp though? Look at that. Okay, so now we're gonna just flip it over and then put it back in for another probably like 17-20 more minutes. Okay, when I tell y'all that these bad babies is crispy, they are crispy, okay? Look at that. Look at that sizzle. I'm about to slam these, y'all. I ain't even gonna lie. Mind you, the chicken wings are 0 carbs. It's just what you put on them. Okay, so now that the first batch is done, we're gonna pretty much do the same thing. Repeat the process. Throw these wings in there, put them back in for 20 minutes, flip them over, 20 minutes again, and then we're gonna go ahead and start our sauce. Okay, so I did wash out my bowl. I'm just drying it out now so we can go ahead and get the sauce ready. Okay, so as I stated in the beginning of this video, I am going to be using the Sweet Baby Ray's buffalo wing sauce. Now this is only 1 carb per tablespoons, and I believe I used maybe 3 or 4 tablespoons, which is 4 carbs. Okay, now I'm just taking my chicken, I'm just gonna throw it in this sauce, give it a toss, and then that's pretty much it. Okay, so now we're gonna start our sauce for the garlic Parmesan wings. This is pretty much easy also. All we're gonna do is melt some butter in the cup in the microwave, and then we're gonna pour it in with the powder seasoning. And then we're going to basically toss the wings in that also. Put a little bit extra Parmesan on top, and then there you go, garlic Parmesan wings. Okay, so obviously this was not enough butter. I did end up using another probably 2 tablespoons of butter. I melted it and then poured it in.